In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Wix logo from your site. If you're seeing the Wix logo appear as the small icon on your website tab, that usually means your site is still using the default Wix favicon. The good news is that changing it is very simple, but there is one important thing to know before you begin. You need to have a premium plan in order to change the favicon. If your site is not on premium, this option may not be available yet. Once you've confirmed that you have a premium version of your site, you can go ahead and update the favicon. This is the little image that shows up in the browser tab next to your site name, and replacing it will remove the default Wix logo from that spot. To start, go to the top right corner of your Wix dashboard or editor and click on the search bar. This search feature is one of the fastest ways to find settings without having to browse through multiple menus, so it makes the process much quicker. After clicking the search bar, type in the word favicon. As you type, Wix should show you a result related to your favicon settings. Click on that option to open the correct section. Once you're there, you'll be able to change your favicon. This is the setting that controls the small icon associated with your site in browser tabs. By updating it from the default image to your own icon, the Wix logo will be removed and replaced with whatever favicon you choose. When selecting a favicon, it's a good idea to use a simple, clear image that still looks good at a very small size. Since favicons are tiny, logos with too much detail may be hard to recognize. A clean icon or simplified brand mark usually works best. After you make the change, save or publish your site if needed so the update can take effect. Keep in mind that browser tabs sometimes cache old icons, so if you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page or checking again in a new tab after a moment. And that's it. As long as you're on a premium plan, you just need to use the search bar, look for the favicon setting, and replace the default icon. That will remove the Wix logo from your site tab and give your website a more custom, professional appearance.